Hey, hello, Johan and Wienke here. The 23rd and 24th of September 2025, we're going to have the Things Conference back again in this lovely city of Amsterdam. And as always, we're going to have a great event about IoT with 1,500 IoT engineers and 70 partners from all across the world. And this year we're going to do something special. We're going to extend the scope of the conference and include a lot more other wireless technologies. So this year we'll have a lot of IoT ecosystems and alliances joining our conference. So, for instance, the LoRa Alliance, but also Arduino with their entire developer ecosystem, the Bluetooth SIG, LoRa Foundation, IoT Solutions World Congress, Zephyr Project, the Z-Wave Alliance, the IoT Eclipse Foundation, and many, many more. So what more can we expect regarding to the conference?
So we'll have keynotes, roundtables, panels, workshops, and of course parties. And the Wall of Fame is going to be more exciting and inspiring than ever, because it's going to feature devices with LoRaWAN, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular connectivity, Z-Wave, and also devices featuring Edge AI models.
So independent of which technology you're going to select for the problem that you're solving with your IoT project, all the technology is going to be there, and you're going to be inspired by the components, the devices, the solutions, as well as with the business cases. So we really hope to see you there. You're all invited.
See you there.